Hello, so in this video I'll show you how to publish the projects that we create. This is this is going to be used soon for a bigger project I'll be working on for the exercises section of the C# programming tutorials. So first of all, I'll create a new project, and it's going to be, there you go, C#.NET Core. Yep, we'll just call it the published project, and we'll just create the solution. Now, I'm just going to do now is to add a little much code. I'll just do console.readline, and that's going to be our entire program. So first thing we do is we change from debug to the release state. Now then we do build and publish project. Now here we'll have two options. One, we can push it to a cloud, so publish it as a cloud project, or we can push it to our folder, which is what we want to do. And then we have here publish. Yeah, we can choose a path, so I'm just going to do desktop, and we could press publish, but we're going to edit profile because what we want to do is we want to make it an exe. So we press edit, and here we have framework dependent. We just change that to self-contained. There we go, we get an option for Windows. Executable, we press save, and we slap the publish button. There we go. So now that we have this, we can right click on our project, open in File Explorer, and then if we go into bin release.net, we will have our win. And if we run this, my antivirus is going to be like, oh, what's this? But it works, as you can see. So yeah, that's how you can publish your project in C#.